Mustang.
Are you ready yet?
Yeah.
Hello, I just got my halo projector Mustang lights in, and I'm going to install them. Hopefully it works out great for me. Well, I've already started, as you can see. See, there's my ends right here. I put the two reds together and two blacks together. It's going to be really cool. Now I'm going to show you how to crimp. See, all you need to do, cut the little wire back, stick it in there, and then you get your wire cutters. These are the most common ones people have. Probably have around the house. You just stick them in there. And you just crimp them down. Voila. You have your lights crimped.
Okay, what's the other side?
And this will be my other side that'll go into the
Quick
wire
connect.
to go in the car.
Okay.